In this video, we will guide you through recording the basic control for transhumeral prosthesis fittings using the connectgrip app. Unlike the test control, this process requires recordings in multiple arm positions to ensure accurate functionality of the definitive prosthesis. First, connect to the product. Then follow the configuration steps to set up myosmart according to the user's needs and the components used. If a dynamic arm is used, make sure that it is configured correctly. Select the electrode type, as well as the quantity. Then, select whether the respective inputs are electrodes or external control elements, such as switches. Verify the settings on the configuration screen, then press Apply. The system will restart automatically. Once everything is configured, we can continue with the recording process of the basic control. If the basic control button is missing, ensure you are logged in with your Ottobock account. Also notice the Additional Functions button. Here we will change the arm position for the recordings later on. Now press Basic Control to start the recording process. The basic control requires recordings in 3 different arm positions as shown on the screen. Start by recording the open hand movement in a bent arm position. Navigate to the additional functions to flex the arm manually. Select Manual Control, and then press the button for flexing the elbow. Return to Basic Control. Now we can perform the first recording for the open hand movement. As with the test control, the relaxed position is recorded first. Then, the user must gradually generate an open signal until reaching 80% of their muscle strength before relaxing again. This process is repeated 3 times. For the next recording, arm hanging, go back to the manual control in the additional functions to extend the elbow. Explain each step to the user before operating the prosthesis manually. Go back to the basic recordings in the basic control and repeat the open hand recording in this position. For the third arm position, arm extended, you need to flex the elbow slightly in the manual control. Ensure that the elbow is locked. Then go back to the basic recordings. Instruct the user to extend their arm as far as possible. Then record the open hand signal in this position. Once all open hand recordings are complete, repeat the process for the close hand movement. Finally, navigate to the Signals tab to review the recorded control. Observe the circle at the top of the screen to confirm that the movements are detected correctly. Once the basic recordings have been completed, you can continue with the recording of the joint switching signals. If required, you can also add additional recordings to improve accuracy. This also includes the recording of unintentional movements, such as those caused by vibrations when mowing the lawn, to exclude them from being recognized as prosthetic movements.